Textile Genesis. How Textile Genesis works and what is applicability in textile industry. When we talk about the textile genesis, first of all, we introduce you that textile genesis is a blockchain based traceability platform designed for textile and fashion industry. It helps brands, manufacturers, and suppliers track the origin and journey of raw material like cotton, silk, wool, and synthetic fibers throughout the supply chain. So, the main concept of textile genesis or the main base of textile genesis is it is a blockchain based traceability platform designed for textile and fashion industry that has covered different fibers like cotton, silk, wool, and synthetic fibers. Further, how textile genesis works. First is digital tokens, or you can say fiber coins. Each batch of raw material is assigned a digital token ensuring authenticity and traceability. Second, blockchain technology. It provides a tamper-proof record of transactions at every stage from fiber production to the final garments. Third point is verification and compliance. Ensures compliance with sustainability standards like OCOTEX, GOATS, and ZDHC and Higgs Index. These are the related to compliance for sustainability standards and OCOTEX, GOATS, organics. Fourth is transparency for brands and consumers. Brands can verify material sources and ethical production, boosting consumer trust. So, this was the method or technology or pattern how textile genesis works. First, we repeat, we can conclude it digital tokens from raw material to and blockchain technology provides proof of transactions from fiber to final garments. Third, it also relevant or ensure the compliances like OCOTEX, GOATS, and different compliance. And last is transparency for brands and consumers. That is the main point for material sources and ethical productions and boosting the trust of the customers with the brands. Next, we can define applicability in textile industry. When we talk about the applications of textile genesis platform in textile industry, like sustainable sourcing that helps brands meet eco-friendly and ethical sourcing goals. Further is regulatory compliances, supports adherence to laws like European Union, Green Deal, extended producers responsibility. So compliance is very essential in textile genesis. Next is risk management. You can see reduces the risk of counterfeit material and unethical labor practices. The last point we can say supply chain efficiency improves coordination between suppliers and buyers with a real time data as it is a blockchain technology based on blockchain technology. So in blockchain technology or blockchain supply chain method, you are connected from supplier of raw materials to finish garments. So all data is applicable or accessible on real time based. Is it applicable? Yes. Textile genesis is applicable for textile industries, especially those focusing on sustainability, compliance, and supply chain transparency. Major brands like H&M, Adidas, and Kering already use this platform. It is particularly useful for spinning mills, fabric manufacturers, and apparel brands aiming for traceability and sustainability certifications. So when we talk about useful for spinning, weaving, it is a blockchain. It means from raw material to finished garments, it is applicable. This was the overview of Textile Genesis platform and how Textile Genesis works and what is applicability of Textile Genesis platform in textile industry.